Hello, good morning to all. Hope you all are doing very well. So why you should choose data science? Why? So choosing a career in data science can be a great decision for several reasons. There are many reasons. Why? Because high demand. Data scientists are in high demand across various industries as organization rely on data to make informed decisions. And high salary, data scientists often command competitive salaries, okay, due to their specialized skill, okay. Third, diverse application. Data science can be applied to solve a wide range of problems, from healthcare to finance and from marketing to environmental analysis, okay. Problem solving, data scientists get to work on challenging problems and find data driven solution, okay. So and and why? Continuous learning, it's a dynamic field that encourage continuous learning because data science uh, course of data science are very volumetric, as you all know. So this is a continuous learning, you need to update yourself daily to daily, okay. So this is data science. So that's why you should choose your career for data science. This is a reason, okay. If you really like my video, then please go and subscribe and please like it, okay.